privilege to configure it manually. We have the privilege to let it get automated. We have the privilege to have an enhanced monitoring being enabled. So we can see the CPU utilization, DB connections right now, free storage space, freeable memory, IOPS, read IOPS. So all the information that we see are so much and so forth, giving a good example of how an RDS can be created and can be used from the business perspective using AWS services. Logs and events, if any kind of logs or events occur, if there is some issue, CloudWatch will generate an alarm and we would be able to see the alarms over here. This is the basic configuration which we had configured while building the database. Maintenance and backup, there's one backup which has been created while we created the database. This is the snapshot created and it is using T2 micro in the backend, for which we do not have access. So we need to delete the database if in case not required. So click on action, delete, and I'll just not be creating a snapshot. I acknowledge it. We need to add delete me and not a simple delete rather, and click on delete. So that is all about relational database services using AWS console. Thank you very much.